Lord, I offer my life to you, everything as we do. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Thank you for loving me, even in my eyes. God give me you and show me what feel. That's how I feel. I'm more than a word.